Hey there, fellow curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's been raising eyebrows in the health and wellness community, the carnivore diet. If you're new to this concept and wondering what it's all about, you're in the right place. So, let's embark on a journey to uncover the basics of the carnivore diet for beginners. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a dietary approach that revolves around consuming primarily animal-based foods. Yes, you heard that right, it's all about indulging in a diet dominated by meat, and sometimes includes eggs and other animal-derived products. The idea is to eliminate plant-based foods entirely, from grains to veggies. So, how does this diet work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You focus on eating various types of meat like beef, pork, chicken, eggs, and fish. Some people include dairy too. The goal is to remove all forms of carbohydrates, sugar, fiber, and plant matter from your plate. The plan is to eliminate toxic and inflammatory parts of your diet. The diet is very focused on protein and good fats. You improve the quality of your food by eating nutrient-dense food. Advocates of the carnivore diet believe that by ditching plant foods, they can experience a range of benefits. These include potential weight loss, improved digestion, increased energy levels, and even relief from certain health issues. But, it's important to remember that while there are success stories, scientific research is still evolving. One could think it is absurd that there is so little scientific research into the diet, so we only have anecdotal evidence to go on for now, but all the anecdotal evidence is pointing in one direction. The carnivore diet is a fascinating concept that's gained attention for its unique approach. It has been popularized in recent years by proponents such as Joe Rogan and Jordan Peterson. Whether it's the right fit for you depends on your goals, preferences, and how your body reacts. Many warn that it can take around 2 weeks for your body to get accustomed to your new diet. What are your thoughts on the carnivore diet? Are you intrigued or skeptical? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future explorations. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.